This design pattern shows an reference architecture to process real-time requests using API Gateway, ELB and EC2. This architecture is useful for business use cases like real-time request and response via REST APIs. AWS API Gateway will host REST APIs for real-time request and response. Amazon ELB will be used as Elastic Load Balancer. This is AWS managed service which span across the availability zones. Amazon EC2 will host the backend services. Fleet of EC2 will be provisioned in multiple availability zones. Amazon RDS is used as Relational Database. Multi-AZ configuration is provisioned with primary instance for read and write. Multi-AZ configuration will create additional standby instance. Primary instance will replicate the data continuously with standby instance. This architecture is useful when it is mandate and only available option is to host the backend service in EC2 instances. By having EC2 instances provisioned in multiple availability zones, and frontend by Elastic Load Balancer, we can achieve high availability. By placing EC2 instances in auto-scaling group we can achieve scalability and disaster recovery within the region. Client application send an HTTP API request to API Gateway. API Gateway forward the request to Elastic Load Balancer cluster endpoint. Elastic Load Balancer routes the request to one of the EC2 instance by a load balancer algorithm. Amazon EC2 query the RDS database by connecting to primary instance.